Hi, this is Mike, Captain Tie-Dye from Just Rockin Out. I'm going to show you how to mix the dye that's in your Good Stuff tie-dye kit. Okay, what you're going to need to mix the dye is, of course, the dye, a funnel, a bottle, and I like to have a paper towel and distilled water. You can use purified water if distilled water is not available, but I would not recommend using tap water. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is remove the top of the bottle and put the funnel in it. Next, take your dye packet, always with your gloves on, of course, and make sure the dye is shaken down. There's none up towards the top, and the easy way to do this is just cut the top off. You can open it through the Ziploc, but those tend to stick a little bit and you have more of a chance of spilling some dye. Now with the top being wide open, pour this into the bottle. Sometimes it'll clump up a little bit in the funnel. That's normal. Show you what to do in a second here. Get all the dye out. And there's a little bit of dye clumped up in the funnel here. We're just going to tap the funnel a little bit and that'll go right down. Now you're going to want to rinse this funnel before you mix your next color because you don't want to get any of this color in it. Okay, we're going to take the distilled water and there's a fill line on here right to this arrow. So we're going to pour some water in to the point of the arrow. Just about like that. That looks good. Okay. Take the funnel, put it over in a sink so I can rinse it. Put the cap on the bottle. Make sure it's tight. Make sure this red cap is tight as well. My finger on that and shake it up. Okay, be sure you get all the dye in the bottom shaken well. And that's ready to use. Repeat this process for the other colors you have and you'll be ready to start dyeing things.